This is Dave. Like Dave, you heard that an intelligent autonomous mobile robot can help you automating your internal logistics, but you don't know how to start? Dave wants to transport load from a location on his facilities to another. To solve his problem, he used Link's solution TP200-CF. This product is able to automatically pick, transport and deliver trolleys or racks, without needing a large moving space. In this application, the TP200-CF is picking a full load trolley at production and delivering at storage. Then it picks an empty trolley from storage and deliver it at production. Now that Dave has his logistics automated, he just needs to wait and watch his business grow. What are you waiting for? Start linking your business today with Link Solutions.